The next unit is Format Reports. As I go through learning this unit on the Reports and Dashboards for Lightning Experience module, I might hopefully becoming a Salesforce admin. I will share anything useful in the description below that might help you on your journey as well. Okay, after completing this unit, you'll be able to describe report formats, tabular, summary, and matrix, and create a matrix report. Use report formats. There are 3 report formats available: tabular, summary, and matrix. Tabular is the default format. Okay? Tabular, okay, so report format, we got 3. Primary use case, tabular is to make a list. Supported in dashboards. Report charts supported. Bucket fields. I wonder what bucket fields are. Formulas, I know what those are. Cross-object formulas. Bucket fields. Bucket fields and formulas are not covered in this module. Bucket fields to me sounds like a field full with buckets. To catch rain, maybe? I don't know. I have a suspicion that that's not what it is, but I'll probably keep learning as I go on. Tabular reports. Tabular reports are the simplest and fastest way to look at your data. Similar to a spreadsheet, they consist simply of an ordered set of fields and columns, with each matching record listed in a row. While easy to set up, they can't be used to create groups of data, and there are limits to how you can use them in dashboards. Consequently, they're often best used for tasks like generating a mailing list. So, when Lincoln asked Maria for a report on all open opportunities in the previous unit, which was like 3 days ago for me, but I remembered that, which is cool, Maria knew that a tabular report would fit the bill. Let's help Maria build the report. Note, depending on which org you're using to practice these steps, you may or may not see data in your report at runtime. On Reports, click New Report. Choose the Opportunities report type and click Continue. Click Filters, then apply the following filters. Close date to all time. That's a better idea. Filters. For the Show Me Standard filter, select All Opportunities and click Done. Show me all opportunities. Yeah, that was already there. For the opportunity status, click Open and Apply. And for the date field, standard filter, select Create Date and Current Fiscal Year. For the range, and click Apply. Create a date and current. For the date field, standard filter. I see a close date standard filter. Create a date and current fiscal year. Okay. And I gotta go. Okay, so create a date and current fiscal year for the range and click Apply. I think I did that. Okay. Note for the fastest results, always get the smallest date range you can. If a report has to sift through a great many dates, it could take longer to show the information you've asked for. Okay, the following columns should already be included in your report. Opportunity name. Yeah. Type. So let's do them in order. Okay, can I reorder these? Okay. So, to reorder the columns here, you go to the outline and then play around with this here. So that's cool. So opportunity name, type lead source. I'm going to just try to make it look similar. I don't know. I know it's all theoretical, but it's just good practice, I feel like. Amount, close date. Next step, stage, probability. Next step. Stage. Probability. Fiscal period, age, create date. Fiscal period. Age. Create a date. Opportunity owner, opportunity role. An account name. And what, we don't want expected revenue in there? Do I have expected revenue here? I do. Yeah, I'd want expected revenue. Okay, click save, name your report, open opportunities this year, and enter description, and save in the public reports folder. The whole go get him thing, like that's a very like salesy thing. We don't talk that way though. Internally, it's more like, I don't know, focus on customer success. There's not the whole hunting and enter description, save report. Okay. Click run. The report should look something like this. Fine. Cool. Nice. Summary reports. Summary reports are similar to tabular reports, but also allow you to group rows of data, view subtotals, and create charts. Summary reports give us many more options for organizing data and are great for use in dashboards. Yes. Summary reports are the workhorses of reporting. Most people find that most of the reports tend to be this format. Roberto Alvarez, CEO of Ursa Major Solar, wants to review all open customer support cases, grouped by priority. Let's help Maria help Roberto by building a summary report. Now, depending on which org you're using to practice the steps, you may or may not see data in your report at a time. From the Reports tab, click New Report. Cool. Hey, I made stuff. Choose the Cases report type from the Customer Support Reports folder and then click Continue. Click Filters and then apply these standard filters. For Show Me, select all cases and click Apply. We got that. For Date field, select Open Date, and All Time. For the range, then click Apply. Okay. And from the Add Filter pick list, apply a field filter for cases where open equals true. From the Add Filter pick list, apply a field filter for cases where open equals true. I don't see a pick list. Well, that's a cross filter. I don't think that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't see a pick list. Could add a cross filter. Am I supposed to do that? Okay. The add filter pick list is this search box. I made that way harder on myself than needed it to be. Open equals true. and click apply. Verify these names appear in your report: case owner, subject, case owner, subject, daytime opened, age open closed, and account name. Aged, open, closed. Account name, do we need to have open date? To make this report a summary report, you need to group rows. To group rows, first click Outline. Under Group Rows, from the Add Group, pick List, select Priority. Okay. Turn off detail rows at the bottom of the preview page to see just the totals for each priority level. Turn off detail rows at the bottom of the preview page. Turn off detail rows. That's that down there. Oh, I just realized you probably didn't see that, because I'm not showing my full screen, but there's a little off on button at the bottom that if you click it, it turns this off. It's at the bottom of the page though. Save the report as open cases. Why did I turn off detail rows? I like to see just the totals for each priority level. Okay. Where am I supposed to save it? Public folder. I also have this units thing in here. All cases, all time equals true. Click detail rows to toggle between showing and hiding columns in your summary report. Fine. So this is a summary. There's just Okay. Matrix reports. Matrix reports allow you to group records both by row and by column. Okay, matrix reports. Matrix reports allow you to group records both by row and by column. These reports are the most time-consuming to set up, but they also provide the most detailed view of our data. So why would you want to use a matrix report? If you're looking for an at-a-glance overview of data, especially for something like totals of revenue or quantity of products sold, the matrix report format is for you. To illustrate the point, let's look at two reports side by side. The use case here is the opportunities for last fiscal quarter grouped by close month with the amount summarized. Okay, so I think the way to say that is, now that you are convinced, let's build a metrics report. Such that the CEO is planning for the coming year and wants to know revenue trends month over month. Let's start by helping Maria create the basic report. In this step, you'll create a matrix report showing the sales by type for each month. Okay, almost there. On the Reports tab, click New Report, choose Opportunities, and then click Continue. Click Filters, and then apply these standard filters. Show me standard filter all opportunities, and click Done. Okay. For the opportunity status standard filter, click Close One and apply. Alright, wait, so opportunity status, closed one. That's the date. Close date. Current fiscal year. Opportunity status, closed one. So these guys are in different orders. And for the date field standard filter, select date, close date. I already did that. To change the report format to matrix, first click first group rows by close month and columns by type. Just start grouping, click outline. I run this. Oh, I see. There's groups, group rows, and column rows. Columns. Okay. Under group rows, from the Add Group pick list, select Close Month. Close month. Under group columns, type. You may want to hide the report details when viewing a matrix report. Matrix reports are usually easiest to consume with details hidden. Turn off detail rows. That's that option at the bottom of the page. Can't miss it. Unfortunately, there's no data, so it doesn't look very interesting. Save your report as opportunities by sum of amount. Oh, which folder do I need to change it to? I hope I did it right. Yeah, no, I did. Alright, we just got the desert. It's a pretty desert, though. No, my report doesn't look like that. Oh, let's try the handstand challenge. Roberto! Be right back. Okay, so this is cool because this looked like this worked for me. Basically, I've got the report name is case status. It's a case to report type. All time. Case owner, subject, account name. Group by statuses. So we got new, closed. Apparently there's no... Okay. Save the report in any folder. I did that. Cool. Thanks for watching.